Ngiyavala. Kumane ngiyavala manje. Siqale ngapha sivale ngiyavala la. Bayidelela ngakho ama-customer azongena. Angula ama-customer azongena manje. Akho ama-customer azongena. Bayisa la. Angula ama-customer azongena. Asivale nangale. Valo ngabe njani la. Yangivalela naphakathi ke manje. Ngiyavala mina. Baba, lungisale into wena msulu webhunu yeso. Lungisale inkinga njengamanje. Uyezwa baba? Baba. Yes. Sanibona Ntomnishana. Khona. Kuzokuthiwa manager la ekhaya. Mina ngumlando waseMchunwini. Umphathi. Yeah. Ubani ke lo? Oh, yes, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm here concerning the complainants about the employees. Your employees, they've laid their complaints and they were not attended proper and also there are a lot of complaints regarding their salaries whenever there is a shortage of food inside the shop. You took their money, 1,000 rand, and then they don't get proper payments, and now you are threatening them to chase away. So the land was in cars.
The only thing I'm going to say to you is that it has gone to Famous Brands lawyers that have looked at it, and that is where it stops. You've now dealt with people Monday, Tuesday, and today, so that's where we are. So
why did you allow your management and yourself to exploit these ladies while they are working perfectly for you?
Sorry, just hold it a second. According to the Copy Act, these people aren't allowed to film me.
Okay, I remember.
So you take your pictures away?
Yes.
The staff aren't allowed on this property at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is now in the hands of the normal route and the Department of Labour and the CCMA. And that's where it rests now.
No. But
yes, it does.
No, you need to listen to their complaints, and
we have listened to their complaints.
And then these are valid complaints.
Excuse me, we've listened to their complaints now for 2 days.
And then what have you done?
We had.
What have you done? So the land
they've gone Okay.
No.
Just hold it a second. Just hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not going to. This was dealt with yesterday.
How it was dealt with?
Famous Brands was here. All the contracts
were. Not tell us that we are not allowed here because we still workers here. Where is the dismissal letters? Where are they?
No.
Listen. Do not shout at me.
No, they have a right.
Okay?
They have a right.
Please take the right to put it outside there and then I'll talk to you.
Come again?
No, all I'm saying, please take him out of here, in that area over there.
No.
I will make a phone call.
No. You need to resolve to this. Now, I'm here to resolve this. Otherwise, I'm shutting down here. I'm going to be shutting down.
This is.
Has been closed. How do you do such a thing to us? Who gave us permission to work?
You are being unfair to our people. I'm going to shut it down there.
I need to make a phone call. Will you allow me to make a phone call?
To resolve this. That phone call will resolve this.
To make a phone. I'm not the owner of the business.
Call the fucking owner of the business. Call the owner now.
You stop shouting now.
No. They have a right. They have a right. You can't abuse our people.
You're not that fool.
Make a call. Make a call.
I can't make a call while people are shouting. Okay.
Make a call.
And while people are shouting, I'm going to make a phone call. Let's be fair.
What fair? Have you been unfair to these ladies? You have
What
been
I'm saying-
extremely unfair to them. Make a call.
Before we take it from away.
Make a call. You're going to resolve this issue now. I'm shutting down this show. Zovala mina la ngamthatha kahle.
Masibani.